I bought a Mercedes CLS for $38,000 at a roadside repair shop, refurbished it and sold it for $200,000. Can we make money while standing? Let's follow the camera to check the goods. Dismantling cars with an artistic touch? Are we the only ones online? Who wants to count how many parts are on the ground?
The shell was removed and the car was just received. We have to take apart the engine and chassis completely.
Our teamwork was so seamless that we directly separated the engine components.
Since we've decided to dismantle it, let's take it apart completely. The wiring harness also gets to experience a rejuvenation.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Why strip it down so thoroughly? Because the upcoming full car electrophoresis is the essence. This is the core process in new car production at the original equipment manufacturer, and we need to meet the same standards when refurbishing old cars.
Thoroughly remove surface oil and impurities with the trailer assembly. Further clean the surface to ensure that the electrophoretic paint does not peel off due to dirt. Next, nano-level phosphating treatment is used to form a dense anti-corrosion conversion coating.
The final rinsing process before electrophoresis must be strictly controlled, using deionized water to thoroughly remove residual cobalt salts from the car body surface.
Now we reach the climax of this renovation, electrophoresis. Then, a precise electric field is applied in the electrophoresis tank to achieve uniform coverage at the 7 nanometer level.
Ultimately, it forms a super strong anti-rust protective layer, effectively resisting corrosion.
The car body is reset to the new car factory rust prevention standard.
Baked at 200 degrees Celsius to cure the electrophoretic layer.
A German imported car must be paired with German paint, specifically BASF water-based fluorescent paint, to match its imported status.
The car body ultimately achieves the desired purification effect. The odor in old cars mainly comes from asphalt and soundproof cotton.
Same seat soundproofing correction. The smell of old cars is effectively resolved.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.